Hello Doge family, how are you today? Doge lovers, before going into details, I would appreciate if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Together we will grow Dogecoin. What I say and my graphic predictions are always right guys. I hope it is useful for you. I will determine the buying and selling points for those who want to make short transactions. And I will tell you the important developments today. We don't have to get discouraged. Do not forget that when the rise begins, we grow differently than all coins. Elon Musk's return to joke coins has caused rises, albeit on a small scale. Unfortunately, the selling pressure on the markets prevents us from seeing the old 30 to 35% rises. Those who remember know how strong the Elon Musk shares have over Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. So where is the Doge and SHIB price going? Will it rise? Guys, the price, which fell to the level of 0.168 yesterday, suddenly rose to the level of 0.205 with the shares of Elon Musk supporting Dogecoin. Unfortunately, the price, which rose 19% from the bottom, could not form a support at the level of 0.20. Dogecoin finds buyers at 19 cents on the Binance exchange. For about a month, Dogecoin has not seen the levels of 0.16. The pressure experienced by Bitcoin caused the price to come back to these levels. Moreover, the cost of a significant part of the investors is around 40 cents. So for Dogecoin, the obligatory hold has been going on for a long time. It is important that Bitcoin has been able to rise above the 32.000 level again. This will stop the decline of altcoins to some extent. If Dogecoin remains at the level of 0.19 and the Bitcoin price does not turn down again, it can be seen again at 23 cents with the support of Elon Musk. The Elon Musk Dogecoin sharing, which occupied the agenda last night, should definitely be examined. Let's see what's on the agenda together. Please do not miss the agenda, friends. I'm telling you every day. Every step, every news is important to make a profit in the short term. So don't forget to turn on the notification bell as well. Elon Musk's son collects X Dogecoin. Elon Musk has changed the profile picture of his personal Twitter account. His new profile picture features a Dogecoin symbol in the reflection of his sunglasses. However, the successful businessman replied to the cartoon shared by a follower and humorously stated that his son XAA12 does not intend to sell Doge. On top of these shares, Dogecoin experienced a short-term bounce in the process when the Bitcoin and altcoin market moved in a horizontal line. Doge is 75% below its all-time high in May. However, it has managed to gain 11% in the last 24 hours. The creator of PayPal, billionaire businessman Elon Musk, on the one hand, focuses on developing space technologies. However, on the other hand, it tries to follow the developments in the financial sector closely. It is known that Musk, who has been interested in blockchain technology, albeit late, primarily adopts Bitcoin and Dogecoin, a community cryptocurrency. Tesla's CEO, who has been among the best cryptocurrencies in terms of market value with his Dogecoin shares for a long time, continues his shares despite the bear market. In the bull market, Musk's shares caused Doge to gain value for days. However, after the market depreciated dramatically, the effect of the shares decreased. My son doesn't know the word sell. Musk's last posts were about his son. The successful CEO had previously stated that XAA12, who is only 1 year old, loves Dogecoin and his son also has a Doge account. Musk wrote a reply when a follower shared a humorous cartoon on this subject, saying, "My son hasn't even said the word sell yet." Every share of Musk causes a new discussion to flare up for crypto investors. Some economists consider it normal and healthy that Bitcoin, whose price has swelled, has entered a bear market. Despite this, some crypto investors continue to blame Elon Musk for the bear market. After the Tesla company announced that it would suspend Bitcoin payments at a time when Bitcoin and many of the most well-established cryptocurrencies of the market broke records, the market, which rapidly lost value, could not make a new leap for about 2 months. The Doge father, the successful businessman, makes posts implying that he does not listen to criticism. Musk, who made fun of the extreme Bitcoin fanatics who especially hate him in some of his posts, described himself as the Doge father in one of his posts. Tesla's CEO criticized some Dogecoin investors as well as Bitcoin fanatics. He stated that those who invested because he shared on his social media account were not rational people. Despite this statement, after Musk's shares, Dogecoin, SHIB and even Bitcoin prices continue to increase, albeit for a short time. Some experts think that the experienced businessperson who has helped this community cryptocurrency multiply its value by finally posting for Baby Doge has taken these steps to gain an advantage. Striking fact for Doge. These sleeping hands can pump the price. Doge, the most popular meme coin of cryptocurrencies, has been on a downtrend for 2 months and is nearing its end. Apart from Dogecoin, which is trying to recover after the SNL broadcast, it seems to have lost most of its power in self-proclaimed Doge father, Elon Musk. The dollar fell to below the Dog 1.7 support. With the new buyer coming from the region, the over 20% increase recorded yesterday is now time again around $0.1844, down 10%. The $1 goal of Doge fans has also been shelved for the time being. Doge is currently trading far from the top. The fact that Dogecoin does not have any underlying use cases and is only marketed and supported by community members on social media is objectionable. Doge memes, made on social platforms, made the $1 expectation among investors quite realistic at the May summit. However, Doge is extremely far from this peak at the moment and is trying to recover. Since the peak, it has been steadily declining. The reasons for the decline can be shown by the inactivity of altcoin investors. Doge's price not moving much may be due to general apathy towards the markets. For example, more than 713,000 trader addresses were active in May. However, this number has dropped to 312,000 last month, and at the time of writing the same figure is set to only 297,000. Who controls the Dogecoin market? On the other hand, interestingly, market participants holding Doge for 1 to 12 months now control memecoin. Only 1.25 million active addresses in May rose to 1.81 million in June, up from 1.80 million at the time of writing. This rising trend is due to the fact that former investors are now turning into long-term players, according to analysts. Since the price was in a downward trend, these participants were unable to reserve their profits and extend their stay in the market. Additionally, the direction of unprofitability can be proved by the indicator, out of the money. The metric highlights that approximately 73.41% of addresses are free of charge. This essentially means that Doge, at the time of writing, is much lower than the average cost at which the meme coin was purchased. For Doge, the number of large transactions also fell during this period. While only 1,230 large Doge transactions took place on July 15, the same transaction in the second half of April ranged from 2,200 to 11,000. Additionally, over the past few days, bears have outnumbered bulls, which is not a good sign for Doge's price. I will keep you informed of developments as soon as possible. We've come to the end of the video, guys. I hope you understand what I want to say. Express your thoughts by commenting. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.